to grace the inaugural ceremony of 6th lane grade separator flyover from Aramghat to Zoo Park under SRGP by our beloved Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Telangana, Shri Yenamula Revanth Reddy Garu. Today, Monday, 6th January 2025, the right time for right leader to claim right all people, all citizens. Honorable Minister for Transport and BC Welfare, Hyderabad District Incharge Minister, Sri Ponnam Prabhakar Garu, alage Government Chief Whip, Legislative Council Sri Patnam Mahendra Reddy Garu, Honorable Mayor GHMC Srimati Gadwal Vijayalakshmi Garu, MLC Rahmat Garu, MLA Akbaruddin Owaisi Garu, special invitees ga Honorable MP Rajya Sabha Sri M Anil Kumar Yadav Garu, Honorable MP Hyderabad Constituency Sri Asaduddin Owaisi Garu, Sri Konda Visweswara Reddy Garu.